What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show where we discuss everything you need to know about and what's happening here in our country on a daily basis. In this video, I'm going to go over a couple different things that is very, very important. Okay. Two letters are going out, and one is real and one is fake. One is a scam regarding Social Security. Okay, this is very, very important here, and I'm going to show it to you here in this video. Okay, so one letter from Social Security, hopefully you've gotten this. It's very important that you keep it and hold on to it, and I'll tell you why here in this video. There's another letter that's going out here if you got it, and I'm going to show you it here and show you what it says. If you got it, it's a scam. And I want to show you that or tell you about that here because it's fake and it's from scammers and it's very, very convincing. And I want to let you guys know here about that here and make you guys aware of that here. And you probably should share this here with people you know here as well because they're trying to take everything from you. So I'll let you guys know here about that here in this video. So if you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on new videos. It's completely free to do so. Just click the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after there. Remember, new videos come out here on our YouTube channel every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll keep you up to date here with everything going on here in our country on a daily basis. We just did a video here about the IRS sending out millions of checks here to people worth over $1,200. I just did a recent video on that. I'll link you to that video here at the end of this video if you haven't seen videos on that here. Remember, Congress is also working on raising the debt limit, which could prevent our country from defaulting. They're talking about potential cuts to Social Security and Medicare. I'll keep you up to date here on that here and everything going on here in our country on a daily basis. So let's jump right in here. Here we go. Okay, first up, this is new information that just kind of came out here, but I want to talk about this, and then we're going to talk about the scam letter as well, because again, this is the new scam letter is just coming out here as well. And this is very, very important. So we're going to talk about both of these here. So make sure to watch this video all the way through. First, keep this COLA letter in a safe place here. Here's why. There's a couple reasons here. Letters containing the Social Security recipient's new 2023 COLA raise, which stands for Cost of Living Adjustment benefit, arrived here in December. So you would have gotten it here recently within the last few days or few weeks here. Here's why you should probably keep it around. If you are a Social Security recipient who received your letter here recently in December or maybe in early January, depending on how slow the mail was, your cost of living adjustment increase, don't overlook it and keep it. Hopefully you still have it. The letter the Social Security Administration sent out tells recipients how that adjustment will impact your benefit and your monthly increases in 2023. If you received it and don't know what to do with it, you shouldn't throw it out and try not to lose it. You may need it for a number of reasons, including proof of benefit amounts when applying for loans or energy assistance. Keep that letter in a safe place. If you've been watching our channel, you know I'm keeping you up to date here on things like the 35 states that last year in 2022 sent out state stimulus checks, property tax relief checks, inflation relief checks, and there's also programs going on here in all the states like the HEAP program, HEAP, and LIHEAP programs, LIHEAP programs as well, which are from the government and provide energy assistance, utility assistance, and gas and electricity assistance directly from the governments, which will basically kind of pay part of or all of or hundreds of dollars, sometimes over $1,000 of your gas, electric, and utility assistance bills for if you're low income. Yeah, and each state has different qualifications and stuff like that. It's just part of my mission here on this YouTube channel is to keep you up to date here on programs like this, assistance like this from the government, and things like this here And you can actually get this every single year. In some cases, you can get it twice a year. So, yeah, that's just part of my mission here on this YouTube channel is to help out as many people as possible with things like this and news like this and all sorts of programs like this here on a daily basis. So, we already have new states in 2023 that have announced state stimulus type programs here, in addition to the HEAP and LIHEAP programs, state stimulus checks, property tax relief checks, inflation relief checks. So if you've been watching my videos here, you kind of know about this, and I'll keep you up to date here on those going forward here as well. So the Social Security letter notifies beneficiaries of their new 2023 benefit amounts according to the Social Security Administration, which increased by 8.7% in January. Let me know if you've gotten your January payment yet. Some people have gotten it. Some people might still be waiting on it depending on your payment date. Those who receive supplemental security income receive their first COLA payment at the end of December because of the January 1st New Year's Day payments. About 65 million Americans will see this check increase in 2023, the Social Security Administration said. If your COLA payment is more or less than you expected, you can make an appeal to the Social Security Administration, and your COLA letter or your COLA e-letter, which you may have got, will act as a sort of proof of payment. For more details about your Social Security benefits, check out when you can expect your Social Security check to arrive. And we did a video here on that as well. Okay, next up, a fake letter says that your Social Security number is being suspended. So be on the lookout if you see something like this. It's not real. And please share this video with anybody you know, because they're sending out letters like this to try to scam you. Fake letters says your Social Security number is being suspended. There's a letter in the mail going around saying your Social Security number is being suspended. This message claims to be from the Social Security Administration. And it says, due to fraudulent activities, your Social Security number will be suspended in the next 24 hours. This letter claims the reason is because of criminal activities going on in the state of Texas in your name. It also could say a different state. It goes on to state that your Social Security number is involved in a $14 million fraud and a fake Social Security letter. Before you freak out and call the fake phone number in the message, notice that a few big warning signs of this scam. The date on the letters in European date format, and then a month and a year, and the message is not addressed to anyone by name. The biggest lie of all, your Social Security number cannot be suspended. Anyone call or text or emailing from the Social Security Administration is a scam, and the administration will communicate through you through the mail with a letter. Here is a video on this from a local news station. Take a look.
Folks, it's not an exaggeration to say that I hear from several viewers each day about Social Security scams, text messages, phone calls, emails. Scammers will come at you from every direction with this one. So take a look at this message, claiming to be from the Social Security Administration. It claims that due to fraudulent activities, your Social Security number will be suspended in the next 24 hours. It's because of criminal activities going on in the state of Texas in your name. It goes on to state that your Social Security number is involved in a $14 million fraud. So before you freak out and call the fake phone number in the message here, notice a few big warning signs of this scam. First of all, the date is in the European date format, date first, then month, then year, not the way we do it here in the U.S. The message is not addressed to anyone by name. And the biggest lie of all here, your Social Security number cannot be suspended, ever. And that's just the first 3 lines of this message. Any call, text, or email claiming to be from the Social Security Administration is a scam. The SSA will communicate with you through the mail with a letter. Your Social Security number, that's probably the most important number in your life, so do everything you can to protect it.
Also, this is just a quick reminder that in YouTube comments, if you ever see anybody with a phone number, never call or text it or give your personal information from that. Occasionally, I'll get people in the comment section pretending to be me even, and they'll use my picture and they'll say, call me or text me for anything. I don't have any phone numbers for you to call or text. Even sometimes they'll say you're a winner, and for one of our contests, and say call or text me. But remember, I don't have any phone numbers for you to call or text. So remember, I have no phone numbers ever for you to call or text. So remember that here. Remember, these scammers are crazy, and remember, these scammers are on all platforms. They're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. So just be aware of that, okay? Because again, I'm just trying to protect everybody here. You'll know it's me on if you're ever a winner of one of our contests, because I will heart your comments. I'm the only person that can heart a comment because I'm the owner of the YouTube channel here, and then I will tell you you're a winner, and I'll have a check mark by my name, and I'll say say it's Jimmy only, so that's how you'll know you're a winner of one of our contests. So just kind of use some common sense here with a lot of these scams, but never call or text anybody and never give your personal information out, unless you're 100% sure it's somebody from Social Security or something and you absolutely need to. If in doubt, don't give the information out. Yeah, so let me know your thoughts here in the comments, and I'll keep you up to date here. There's a lot going on here right now. Congress is going to have to raise the debt limit ceiling to prevent a government default, and also they're debating on whether or not to cut Social Security benefits right now, which is absolutely crazy in Congress. I'll link some videos here I just did on that. Yeah, so if you haven't yet, make sure to click the subscribe button down below to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any new videos. It's completely free to do so. Literally, just click the subscribe button, then the bell icon that appears afterwards. Remember, the new videos come out here every day on our YouTube channel at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And also, thanks for hitting the like button and the share button for anybody that needs to know about this. And so they'll literally know about these scammers and stuff like that. Here's some videos you can watch next. Here's my video about what Congress is planning to do with Social Security cuts and the debate over everything in that in Congress right now. And here's my newest video about the IRS sending out checks to millions of Americans for over $1,200. So click on one of those videos next. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.